Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best bake and serve sets that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have NutriChef 4 Sets Glass Bakeware. The NutriChef 4 Sets Glass Bakeware offers a convenient solution for your kitchen needs. These rectangular glass baking dishes, made from high borosilicate glass, provide durability and versatility. Each dish comes with a BPA-free PE lid in a soothing blue hue, making storage and transportation hassle-free. These dishes are freezer-to-oven safe, allowing you to seamlessly transition from storing to baking without compromising quality. Their stackable design optimizes storage space, while the dishwasher safe feature ensures easy cleanup. Whether it's casseroles, baked goods, or food storage, this bakeware set is a reliable companion for your culinary adventures. Moving on at number 4, we have Pyrex Deep 2-Piece 9.5 Glass Baking Dish Set. The Pyrex Deep 2-Piece 9.5 Glass Baking Dish Set offers versatile and reliable bakeware for your kitchen. Crafted from durable glass, this set is dishwasher, microwave, freezer, and preheated oven safe, ensuring convenience and ease of use. With its deep design, it accommodates larger portions, making it perfect for casseroles, lasagnas, and more. The easy grab handles provide a secure grip when handling hot dishes. Whether you're cooking, reheating, freezing, or serving, these baking dishes offer practicality and durability, making them an essential addition to your kitchen arsenal for various culinary needs. At number 3, we have Martha Stewart 3-Piece. The Martha Stewart 3-Piece Oven-to-Table Stoneware Bakeware Set in a sophisticated gray hue is a versatile addition to any kitchen. This set seamlessly transitions from oven to table, combining functionality and style. Crafted from durable stoneware, these baking dishes and casserole are designed to withstand high temperatures, ideal for baking and serving. Their elegant appearance enhances any table setting, while the ergonomic handles ensure safe and easy handling. Whether it's hearty casseroles or delightful baked dishes, this set caters to various culinary needs, providing a charming and practical solution for oven-to-table serving with Martha Stewart's signature quality and style. At number 2, we have Pyrex Glass 6-Ounce Custard Cups, Set of 4. The Pyrex Glass 6-Ounce Custard Cups, available in a convenient set of 4, provide versatile functionality in the kitchen. These durable glass cups are ideal for baking individual servings of custards, desserts, or even for serving dips and condiments. With a 6-ounce capacity, they offer perfect portion control and are suitable for both baking in the oven and storing in the fridge or freezer. The clear glass design allows for easy monitoring of contents while they cook. Whether you're preparing sweet treats or savory delights, this set of Pyrex custard cups offers a practical and reliable solution for culinary creations in manageable portions. And finally at number 1, Pyrex 6-Ounce Custard Cups, Set of 8. The Pyrex Bakeware Clear Custard Cups, available in a set of 8 with a 6-ounce capacity each, are versatile and practical additions to any kitchen. These durable, clear glass cups are perfect for baking individual-sized custards, desserts, or portion snacks. Their heat-resistant glass construction allows them to seamlessly move from oven to table, and they're also safe for use in the microwave and dishwasher. The clear design not only enables easy monitoring while baking but also makes these cups suitable for elegant presentation when serving. Whether for baking, serving, or storing, this set of Pyrex custard cups offers convenience and reliability for various culinary needs. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.